sixth graders, today is Monday, December 14th. The first thing we're going to do today is just review your projects. I just want to make sure everyone has theirs submitted. They're all not graded yet and put into the grade book, so that will be done in the next couple of days. Then we're going to move on and we're going to start talking about motion and speed. So we're actually in the new blue textbook with the snow border on it. And so that's where we're going to be using as a reference for the next while, the next probably couple of months or so. All right, so we are going to go into the motion and speed vocabulary and notes 1.1 part 1. These notes for section 1.1 in that textbook are divided into two sections. Today, our objective is I can measure and calculate the speed of an object that is traveling in a straight line. And our essential question is, how do you find the average speed of an object? The first thing you're going to do is the vocabulary. You have two choices for this, okay? You can either make a paper foldable, and for your paper foldable, let's see if I've got a piece of blank paper here to show you. Okay, what you can do is you would fold your sheet of paper in half like this. Okay, and we have 6 vocabulary words, so you want to fold it so that it's into 6. So I would fold it in half. Okay, and then I would fold that into thirds. So that when you open it up, you have 6 slots. Then if you wanted to cut, you could cut on each of those just through that front one. So you have flaps that flip up like that picture. What you would do is on the outside, you would write the word, and on the inside, you would write the definition, and you would draw a picture. And I'll show you where you can find that information in just a second. The other, if you prefer to do a digital version of it, you can click on this and make a copy. It's the same thing, but you type the word, the definition, and then you find a picture that reminds you of the word, that helps represent it for you. Okay, and then this you would just save. You're not submitting you're not submitting the notes to me. Okay. To find the words, they're on slide 4 of the slideshow that is at the bottom of this page. So if you go all the way down to the bottom and go to slide 4, these are your 6 terms that you'll be using for the vocabulary. Once you're finished with the vocabulary, now you are going to do the notes. So you're going to make a copy of this note sheet and save that into your science folder in your Google Drive. Okay, and you're going to be filling in these notes. Now you're only filling in, this is part 1, and part 1 ends right here. Okay, so you go down to here. If you keep scrolling down, you'll see the notes for part 2 on there. We're not doing that part yet. Okay, so you will fill in those notes as you watch this screencast. Okay, so 2 tasks for today, the vocabulary terms, and then the notes for 1.1. Neither of those are getting turned in. Okay, but we will go through both of them tomorrow. You do not need to write a summary yet for your notes. All right, have a good day.